These are the staff management crew of Seafood Island Telabastagan. Magpasalamat kami po karela for their generosity, for their hospitality. Kakasalamat po. Look at our table. Excited na ako. Tara. Tanano babo kabalian ko. Musta kayo po? Yako Iluwi Season Ningweren Pampanga. Ngayong aldoy ni at kami kini SM City Telabastagan. And we are invited Seafood Island. One of my dream come true na ma-invite kami po kayo ng Seafood Island. So we would like to thank the management. Actually, Tisan Milakini mag-meeting la pageta. Yes. Anyway, so with me is my family. So when they invited us, sabi daw kaya kami, bring along with you like 10 to 15 persons. So in pinrepare da po kaya kami Kenny. There have 3 kinds of Boodle packages. And burin nila pong packet kaya kayo nung nanularetang included kareta. So join us in this vlog. Mga tamo po, tara, abayan nyo kami. So we were given a chance or a privilege to enter in Karelang kitchen. Alam makanano lang magluto rin, no? So balamati ng 1, 2, 3, 4 like 5 ka lang. And then natin ng griller. Wow, totally amazing. Kabisi na ning lugar. Relax, relax. Yaman, kapanglo kene. Kaya pag kini naman, kaya nila rin Karelang grilling. Pota kalat-kalat ko kaya ni panay na ita na laking wala. Before we officially start the Boodle fight with my family, let me introduce to you our table. Magpasalamat kami kay Seafood Island for preparing 3 kinds of Boodle dishes or itang karelang set meals. So on our first set meal, house the Kenny is Salo-Salo. Around 3,400 pesos, parang makanta. So this set right here is good for 10 to 12 person. Let me identify nung nanularet ang atin Kenny. Okay, so first off, ining karelang ausan na special pansit, sinigang. And then of course we have 3 kinds of rice. Dried alamang, garlic rice, ang point. Ini naman itang alamang talaga na. The way they assemble it, so nung nanon pong atin Kenny, atin mo naman kitang sumangit. Tahong, crispy shrimp, tintamong laing, and then tintamong ring ensaladang mangga. Look at that, guys. Grilled tuna pa nga. We have a bunch of pork barbecue. And then, so ini bala mo at makalayer yung serving. So on the middle, atin tamong crispy liempo, atin tamong lumpiang Shanghai, and then atin tamong chicharon bulaklak, and then kita we have calamares. So on top we have a 1 kilo liempo bagnet. Amazing. Bakit kaya kayo laman niya? Like I mentioned earlier, nung nanotin kitang side kita, ating tamo mo naman Kenny. So again, this is shareable up until siguro around 10 to 12 person for the price of 3,500 pesos. Around 300 pesos each nung mga kayong 12 persons Kenny. Minsan miraras na pang 15 person yung mga Kenny. So next set meal naman, yung house the Kenny is Sizzling plate overload. So look at that. In the middle is like a huge plate filled with, of course, a lot of goodies. Hanging on top of it is a chicken inasal, whole chicken. Ayan, no? Beside the chicken is atin tamong seaweed skin or some call it lato. Some call it lato, some call it arorosep, kaya Pangasinan. And of course, we also have your grilled shrimp. The way they allocate the food is, bala mo, harapan Kenny. So, nanong atin Kenning side A ni, atin mo naman kitang sumangid. So again, let's identify one by one. So you have your ensaladang mangga, atin mo naman ebon buru. So we have your special pansit, and then you have your tortang talong, lechon kawale or bagnet, and then you also have your pork barbecue, binagoongan pork, ensaladang lato. Whoa, this is probably my favorite vegetable salad Kenny or ensalada Kenny. Wow! For a price of 1,998 pesos, this is shareable from 5 to 7 person or probably more. In that kind of price, siguro around, that's how much? 250 pesos each. So on our third set meal, ito yung pinakabago sa kanila. Ito yung tinatawag nilang kainan sa Balsa. So if you observe, it ensembles a Balsa. Yan. Wow. Amazing. So let's identify na ano laretang pamangan Kenny. First of all, you will notice na ating tamong kain smoky pork barbecue. And then we also have grilled mixed seafood at saka ating tamong rin corn. To balance everything, so we have kinilaw na tanige, meron din tayong adobo, chicken adobo, meron din tayong ginataang alimasag. Wow! And then each side, of course, has steamed rice. And then ating tamong ring mango can. Look at that. So each side has drop of seafood goodness. So ating tamong baby crabs, ating tamong dilis, and then look at that, your all-time favorite chicken isaw. Oita, I'm gonna ask my family to sit down, enjoy minaring food Kenny. Once again, we would like to thank Seafood Island for inviting us. Actually, ito nila pong branch Kenning Sm Telabastagan. It's on the first floor. They also have branches in Marquee and SM Clark. So, kindly visit them. Taabayin nyo kami po. Hey Biggie, very excited? Hi! Yay! Isa. Hi! Ano favorite mo dito? Crab! Hanap tayo. Yun yung crab. Nandun yung crab. Tingnan mo yan, tingnan mo yan. Small crab. That's a baby crab. Baby crab. Sige, kainin mo. Tingnan mo ako. 1, 2. Wow. Ito. Kaya kayo marami rin mga anak ko. So this is their ginataang alimasag. Ayan, no? Buksan natin. Wow. So fresh. Yaman na, oh. See that? Buksan mo natin. Oh man. Paradise. It's a seafood paradise. Yaman na. Ito yung laing. Wow, look at that. Served in a fresh buko. Then, sarap dyan. Lagyan natin siya ng fried rice. Wow. Wow. Chang Ami. Yan si Chang Ami. Tamo. So ito naman yung kanilang chicken inasal. So this is a whole chicken inasal. And then as you can see, para siyang na... Wow, look at that! Whoa! You know? Cheers! Wow! Actually, yung kinuha ko kanina is yung wings niya. Ito yung gusto kong part na tikman. Wow! Tingnan natin. In Pangasinan, we call this arorosep. So, masarap siyang i-partner sa ensalada, and kamatis, and ebon-buru. So, siguro kinigay partner. Wow. Always heavenly, pache mamang kang seafood. So, although if it's known for seafood dishes, pansinan nyo tintamong kain kayo niyo. This is a 1 kilo fried bagnet or liempo sa Tamandaya. Look at that. Wow. Ooh, look at the meat. Look at the fat. So, Tamandaya naman kayo, nitil-tilan tayong aslam. Yaman na. Yaman ng kanyaman. Hindi na tayong tita ka nasi. bet. May itong pantang-manta mo, ining karelang sabo. So, ining sabo na ano ya, tita, sinigang?
Sinigang na may kamatis.
Sinigang na?
Baboy.
Baboy. Sinigang na babi. Yan, tama tayo. Yaman na, kapali na pa. Di na tayo dito kalaman. Mata na. Wow. So manyamay hindi din tayo pang dinataya mo naman nasi. Naman ha. Salamat kay Seafood Island for inviting us. I brought my whole family and lo nyo naman, dakal na kami pero lupang emi pagisan. So if you do like a place for your family, a Boodle fight or your team or your gang, highly recommended place po kaya kayo is Seafood Island. So atila pong store kay ni Sm Telabastagan, atila mo naman po kay Marky and SM City Clark. So again, thank you for watching here in Pampanga. If you like this video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, tag your family. So ito po, dakala salamat. Thank you for watching here in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.